Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Clipboard History on DELL Chromebook 3400. To do that, let's first copy an element, for example from our files. To copy something you have to press Ctrl+C, combination of keys, and now to access the Clipboard History we have to press Search or the magnifier button and V. And this will open the Clipboard History, where we'll be able to find all the previously copied elements at once and select which one we want to paste into this directory. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.